Hey, this is Josh at Garwood Custom Cycles. I want to take a brief time just to roll out one of the bikes off the showroom floor, kind of go over a couple of features that we've got on here. You don't always have to have a wild and crazy bike to stand out in the crowd. Sometimes simple, clean is the way to go. We do have a variety of bikes that will fit everybody's budget. Anything from stock bikes with just extended swing arms or even custom paint. This one here will give somebody a great foundation to start off with if you want to go on and do a wide tire kit or something of that nature later on. It's a bike we just finished up. It's a beautiful candy blue paint job that fades into the black. That is all paint, no stickers. You also notice that we got rid of the stock exhaust system off the side of it, and we put some voodoos on it. Gives it a nice mean growl, gives it a great look, and it accents the back of the bike a lot better. Another feature that you're going to notice on it is we got rid of the stock swing arm. Instead of doing bolt-in blocks, we did C&S's Street Z swing arm. You have a little bit more of adjustment, and it has a little bit more custom look to the bike.